What's up guys, the Tech Spot here, and today we're going to be reviewing the REDTIGER dashcam. This right here is the F7 Elite. It features a 4K dashcam, night vision, touchscreen, voice control. In the box, we have the dashcam, a rear camera, car charger, 2 electrostatic stickers, adhesive, this tool, a user manual, and cable clips. And setting it up is actually so simple. So the dashcam has all of these buttons and also a memory card slot. You can mount this wherever you want, and mine is kind of out of the way. I can see it's underneath my rearview mirror. Now for the wiring, you can go ahead and make it go around your whole door. I will put REDTIGER's link to their video. Now we have the rear cam on as well. Go ahead and turn it on.
It's showing like switch to different mode.
Okay. It's going. This is a bad time to do it, Spawn.
We are chilling. As soon as you start it up, it starts recording. It has a built-in SD card slot. Yeah, so this is a face cam right here too. I think that's a microphone or the speaker. And this is so cool. So now not only do I have my front cam, but it also has a face cam too, which I did not know. And it will show the rear cam as well. So all the files are stored right here, and you guys can see I could go and access any one of these recordings, take a snapshot. I hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing and review. Peace.